Brad Pitt and girlfriend Ines de Ramon made a stylish entrance at the Venice Film Festival, beaming as they arrived in the iconic Italian city on Saturday. The 60-year-old actor is in Venice for the Sunday premiere of his latest film, Wolves, co-starring George Clooney. Clooney, 63, also attended the festival with his wife, Amal, 46, adding star power to the event. Pitt embraced the sunny weather with a bright outfit, pairing a crisp white button-down shirt with yellow plaid trousers and matching yellow loafers. He completed the look with sunglasses, keeping things cool and casual. Ines de Ramon complemented Pitt's look with her own chic ensemble, a floor-length beige skirt paired with a simple white t-shirt, cinched at the waist with a thick brown belt. She finished her outfit with beige heels and sunglasses, exuding effortless elegance. The couple waved to fans as they boarded a water taxi, enjoying a romantic ride through the canals of Venice. Their arrival at the 81st Venice International Film Festival was carefully timed to avoid any awkward encounters with Pitt's ex-wife, Angelina Jolie. According to festival artistic director Alberto Barbera, the event was strategically scheduled so that Jolie, who attended the festival's opening on Thursday for the premiere of Maria, would leave Venice before Pitt's arrival. This arrangement ensured that the former spouses would not cross paths at the Lido. Jolie, 49, and Pitt have been locked in a lengthy legal battle since their separation in 2016, with ongoing disputes over their French winery, Chateau Miraval, and the custody of their 6 children. While Jolie was initially granted full custody, Pitt was awarded visitation rights, though reports suggest he has virtually no contact with his adult children and limited visitation with the younger ones. Despite the complex situation, Jolie appeared to be in good spirits during her time at the Venice Film Festival. She was visibly moved during the premiere of Maria, a biographical film about opera singer Maria Callas, receiving an 8-minute standing ovation that brought her to tears. As Pitt and de Ramon continue to enjoy their time in Venice, the festival marks a glamorous yet carefully orchestrated chapter in the ongoing saga of Pitt and Jolie's lives.